Have you ever wondered how your body naturally cleans itself, repairs damaged cells, and even slows down aging? Well, the answer lies in a fascinating process called autophagy. This is your body's way of self-eating, recycling old and damaged cells to boost overall health. And the best part? You can activate autophagy naturally. Stick around as we break down the best ways to trigger autophagy and maximize its incredible benefits. Autophagy, derived from Greek, literally means self-eating. It's a process where your body removes dysfunctional cells, recycles their components, and creates new, healthier cells. This mechanism plays a crucial role in detoxification, disease prevention, and longevity. In fact, it's even linked to reduced risks of neurodegenerative diseases, improved metabolism, and better immune function. But how can you activate it? Let's dive in. The most powerful way to kickstart autophagy is through fasting. When you fast, your body runs out of glucose for energy and starts breaking down old, damaged cells to produce energy. This is when autophagy kicks in. Here are the best fasting methods for maximum autophagy benefits. Intermittent fasting, 16-8 method. Fast for 16 hours, eat within an 8-hour window. Extended fasting, 24 to 48 hours. This supercharges autophagy, but should be done occasionally. Alternate day fasting, eating normally one day, fasting the next. Fasting doesn't just promote autophagy, it also helps with weight loss, brain function, and inflammation reduction. If you've never tried fasting before, start with a 12-hour fast and gradually extend it. Another natural way to enhance autophagy is through a low-carb, high-fat diet, commonly known as the ketogenic diet. When your body enters ketosis, it burns fat for energy instead of glucose, which mimics the effects of fasting and boosts autophagy. Adding more healthy fats like coconut oil, olive oil, nuts, and avocados to your diet can help your body stay in a fat-burning state and promote cellular regeneration. Exercise is another powerful activator of autophagy. When you work out, your body experiences mild stress, which signals it to clean up and repair damaged cells. The best types of exercise to boost autophagy include high-intensity interval training, or height, short bursts of intense activity push your body to adapt and rejuvenate. Strength training, lifting weights helps with cellular repair and muscle growth. Cardio and endurance workouts, running, cycling, and swimming also enhance autophagy. Even just 30 minutes a day can make a big difference in activating this natural detox process. Certain foods contain compounds that help trigger autophagy. Here are the top autophagy-boosting foods and nutrients to include in your diet. Green tea and coffee. Packed with polyphenols and caffeine, they enhance autophagy. Turmeric, specifically curcumin, a powerful anti-inflammatory spice that stimulates cell regeneration. Resveratrol, found in red grapes and dark chocolate, protects against aging and promotes cellular repair. Cruciferous vegetables like broccoli, cauliflower, and kale, rich in sulforaphane, which boosts detoxification. Apple cider vinegar helps regulate blood sugar and supports fasting. Your body does most of its repair and regeneration while you sleep. Poor sleep can disrupt autophagy, leading to increased inflammation and aging. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep every night and practice relaxation techniques like meditation, deep breathing, or yoga to reduce stress. Chronic stress increases cortisol, which can inhibit autophagy. Autophagy is truly one of the most powerful ways to keep your body clean, healthy, and youthful. By incorporating fasting, the right diet, exercise, and quality sleep, you can naturally activate autophagy and enjoy incredible health benefits. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more health and wellness content. Also, check out the video description for recommended resources to help you activate autophagy and take your health to the next level. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Stay healthy.